Hello everyone, let's continue with the normal forms. So let's see this question. Here R is a relation with attributes A, B, C and D, right? And functional dependencies are given as FDs are given as A goes to B, then B goes to C, then C goes to D, and D goes to A. D goes to A. These are the functional dependencies given, and candidate key is given as AB, CD. These are the candidate keys. Then find the highest normal form. Find the highest normal form. Yes. What will be the highest normal form here? BCNF. Okay. What about others? BCNF. Okay. So whenever we find out the highest normal form, we'll start with the highest normal form, like BCNF. We'll check for the BCNF firstly. So BCNF means if it is X goes to Y is the functional dependency, then X must be super key. X must be super key. So here A is a super key or not? Yes, A is the super key. So this is valid case. What about B? B is also super key, valid case. C, C is also super key, valid case, and D is also super key. It means valid case, means it is in BCNF, right? So it is in BCNF means it is also in 3NF, right? So what about 3NF? So it is also in 3NF. हाईएस्ट तो हमें फाइंड आउट करनी थी, वो फाइंड आउट कर ली है, क्वेश्चन हमारा यहीं पे फिनिश हो चुका है, बट प्रैक्टिस के लिए देख रहे हैं। 3NF, 3NF के केस में क्या होना चाहिए? आइदर इट शुड बी द सुपर की और राइट हैंड साइड इट शुड बी द प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट। तो यहाँ पे ये सारे की सारी सुपर की हैं, तो सेटिस्फाई करेगा। व्हाट अबाउट सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म? So in second normal form, we can say partial dependency, but here single attributes are there, so no chance of proper subset, right? So there is no chance of partial dependency also. So all the valid cases are there. And what about 1NF? So multi-valued functionalities are not allowed, so it is also in 1NF, right? So one thing, if it is in BCNF, no need to check for 3NF. Definitely it will be in 3NF, 2NF, 1NF, right? So this is the case, and finally we can say it is in BCNF. Now tell me, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next question. So here R is the relation with attributes A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Right? So these are the attributes, and functional dependency is AB goes to C, C goes to D, D goes to E, D goes to E, and E goes to F, E goes to F, and F goes to A. F goes to A. These are the functional dependencies given, and candidate keys are AB, FB, AB, FB, EB, EB, DB, and CB. Right? These are the candidate keys. Then find the normal form. What is the highest normal form? Yes, try for this one. Banana. Okay, definitely it is in one enough. It may be in second or third enough also. So try for that one also. Okay, what is the functional dependency? AB, FB, EB, DB, and CB. ओके चलो देखते हैं. Let's try for the BCNF. It is in BCNF or not? So AB is the candidate key, means it is super key. So it is in BCNF because X must be super key. X goes to Y, then X must be super key in case of BCNF, right? So AB is the candidate key, so it is super key. Okay, what about C goes to D? So C is not a super key. C is not a super key. It means here it cannot be the super key and it is not in BCNF, right? So एक भी FD अगर BCNF में नहीं है तो क्या कहेंगे, ओवरऑल इट इज नॉट इन BCNF, राइट. बट प्रैक्टिस के लिए कर लेते हैं. D goes to E. D is not a super key, not BCNF, not a super key, and F also not a super key. Now what about next one, 3NF? Check for 3NF. AB is the super key. AB is the super key, it is valid. So in case of 3NF, either it should be the super key or Y should be the prime attribute. Y should be prime attribute. So here D is a prime attribute or not? Yes, D is the prime attribute. Right? What are the prime attributes? A, B, AB, F, and C, D. They all are the prime attributes, right? So D is the prime attribute, so it is valid. What about E? D goes to E. E is the prime attribute. Yes, E is the prime attribute or not? Yes, E is the prime attribute. So here this is also valid. E is a super key or not? No, not a super key. But F is a prime attribute. Yes, F is a prime attribute. So this is the valid case, right? And what about F goes to A? A is a prime attribute. Yes, A is a prime attribute, but not a super key. So it is also valid case. Means it is in 3NF, right? So highest normal form is the 3NF. So here highest normal form is 3NF. If it is in 3NF, definitely it is in 2NF, right? So it is definitely in 2NF because there is no chance of partial dependency. पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी कब बनेगी, राइट हैंड साइड में नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट होगा और कैंडिडेट की का प्रॉपर सबसेट क्या करेगा, उसको डिराइव करेगा, राइट. मींस प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ कैंडिडेट की, proper subset of candidate key that derive the non-prime attribute, right, then it becomes the partial dependency. So in this case there is no chance of partial dependency, right. So here we can say it is in 2NF. And what about 1NF? Definitely it is in 1NF also because no multivalued attribute. So is it clear to all? Yes. Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next one. R is the relation with attributes A, B, C, D, E and F. A, B, C, D, E, F. And candidate key is, that is AB, AF, AF, AE, AE, and AC. These are the candidate keys, and functional dependencies are AB goes to C, AB goes to C goes to DE, C goes to DE, E goes to F, E goes to F, E goes to F, and F goes to B. F goes to B. So what is the highest normal form? What is the highest normal form? Try for this one. Yes. What about other? वन एन ऑफ किसी एक ने बताया है आई थिंक. मुकेश ने वन एन ऑफ बताया है. व्हाट अबाउट अदर? ओके, वन एन ऑफ. ओके, फाइन. Let's try for the BCNF. So BCNF means AB is the candidate key or not? Yes, AB is the candidate key means it is a super key. So this is valid case. What about C goes to D? C goes to D. So here it is not the super key. C is not a super key, so cannot be BCNF, right? प्रैक्टिस के लिए कर देते हैं, अदरवाइज यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर देंगे BCNF को. C goes to E. C is not a super key, it is not BCNF. E goes to F. E is not a super key, not BCNF. F goes to B. F is not a super key, it is not BCNF, so not in BCNF. What about 3NF? So AB is a super key, so it is in 3NF. What about this one? C goes to D. C is not a super key. What about D? D is a prime attribute or not? D is not a prime attribute. D is not a prime attribute. What are the prime attributes? A, B, C, E and F. These are the prime attributes, right? So here D is not a prime attribute, so it is not in third normal form. What about C goes to E? यहीं पे स्टॉप कर देंगे, वैसे तो स्टॉप कर देंगे, ये थर्ड में भी नहीं है, बट प्रैक्टिस के लिए कर रहे हैं. C goes to E. E is a prime attribute or not? So E is a prime attribute. This is a valid case. E goes to F. F is a prime attribute. Yes, F is a prime attribute. This is also valid. F goes to B. B is a prime attribute. Yes, B also prime attribute. B also prime attribute. So this is also the valid case. But due to this one, it is not in third normal form. What about 2NF? Second normal form. So AB is a candidate key, not a problem. It is in 2NF also. What about this one? C goes to D. C is what? C is the prime attribute, means proper subset of the candidate key. Proper subset of candidate key. So C is the proper subset of candidate key, that is determining D. D is what? D is a non-prime attribute. This is what? Non-prime attribute. And C is what? Proper subset of candidate key. And whenever proper subset of candidate key that determine the non-prime attribute, it is what? It is known as partial dependency, right? So here in this case there is a partial dependency. Due to this one, it cannot be in second normal form. Because of partial dependency, it is not in second normal form. ठीक है. What about this one? प्रैक्टिस के लिए ये चेक कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट नहीं है, राइट में क्या होना चाहिए? नॉन प्राइम होना चाहिए. तो इन तीनों केसेस में ही नॉन प्राइम नहीं है, राइट? तो प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट है राइट में, प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, ये सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म में रहेगा, राइट? बट ड्यू टू दिस वन इट इज नॉट इन सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म. व्हाट अबाउट द फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म? So first normal form we can say that there is no multi-valued attribute, so it is in first normal form. So highest normal form is the first normal form. So here highest normal form is the first normal form. That is the highest normal form. Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Next, let's see the next question. R is a relation with three attributes A, B and C, right? R is a relation with three attributes A, B and C, and candidate keys are given as A, B and C. These are the candidate keys. Then find the highest normal form, right? Then find the highest normal form. Here functional dependencies are not given, but candidate key is given. So by observing candidate key, what will you conclude? It is in second normal form, third normal form, BCNF, or something else. Always in 3NF. Okay. Let's see. So what will be the highest normal form here? Here these are the three attributes A, B and C, and they all are the candidate key, or we can say super key, right? It means all the attributes are candidate key. If all the attributes are candidate key, it means always in the left hand side, if functional dependency is like x goes to y, then always it will be super key, right? So we can say it will be in BCNF, right? So इस केस में ये क्या रहेगा? That will be BCNF. Highest normal form is the BCNF, because all the attributes are the super key. Is it clear to all? यस, अगर सभी एट्रीब्यूट क्या होंगे, सुपर की होंगे, उस केस में गएंगे. अगर मान लीजिए यहाँ पे कोई और एट्रीब्यूट होता, डी होता, और डी मिसिंग है, अब ये बीसीएनएफ में नहीं होता, बिकॉज डी इज नॉट द सुपर की, राइट? अगर सभी एट्रीब्यूट क्या है, दे आर द सुपर की, इन दैट केस विल से इट इज इन बीसीएनएफ. गॉट इट? Okay, now let's see the next question. R is a relation with the two attributes ऐसा भी कोई केस आ जाएगा, करते हैं इसके बारे में डिस्कस। एक बार ये समझ लेते हैं, दो तीन केस देखते हैं, उसके बाद आप लोगों को वैसे ही पता चल जाएगा। लेट्स सी दिस केस। R is a relation with the two attributes, right? So this is what a binary relation, a binary relation. Binary relation. Then what is the highest normal form? Then what is the highest normal form? So we need to find out the highest normal form here. Yes, think about this one. What will be the highest normal form? Let's see what will be the highest normal form here. So this is a binary case. So binary case means there is two possibility of functional dependency. Either it can be A goes to B, or it can be B goes to A. If it is A goes to B, then candidate key is the A, and if it is B goes to A, then candidate key is the B, right? So दोनों ही केस में क्या बन रही है, कोई ना कोई तो सुपर की बनेगी, या तो बी बनेगी या ए बनेगी, राइट? तो उस केस में क्या होगा, अगर सुपर की बन जाएगी तो डेफिनेटली ये क्या होगा, बीसीएनएफ में रहेगा, राइट? सो हाईएस्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म दैट विल बी बीसीएनएफ इन केस ऑफ बाइनरी रिलेशन. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? Okay, fine.